Oops. Alright, so what we have here is your yogurt container control panel with just a basic pot there for the throttle. We've got the contactors, but these aren't hooked up yet. And we've got the amp seal connector from DIY Auto Tune. I've got the encoder wires here because I had to swap A and B. And then over here on the high voltage side we have a 4 kilowatt hot tub heater acting as the crude pre-charge resistor and running in parallel to the fuse to just for testing purposes here in case there's that back EMF, what have you, if I hit the air or if the fuse blows, just so that there's still voltage but no current. And then we've got a couple of 12 volt car batteries here, currently disconnected. Alright, so I'm going to turn on the 12 volt power. You can hear the contactors kicking on and off, although there'll be a pre-charged error condition since the inverter's not seeing any high voltage as of yet. So I'm just going to pause here and connect to OpenInverter here. Alright, so I've connected to OpenInverter here and I've punched in some parameters. A lot of this is per Damien's video to get it into a good mode for bench testing here. So punch those in. And we can see last error is pre-charge, op mode is off. And I have no 12 volt power, I have no high voltage, so you can see our DC bus is at 1.3 volts, which is basically floating. So next thing I'm going to do is connect the high voltage, or 24 volts. Now you'll note, this is all per Damien's video here, my fuse is out. So when I connect the high voltage, I'm connecting it through this hot tub heater here acting as the pre-charge. So I'm going to do that. And as I do that, we should see our DC voltage go to 25 volts. There it is. Okay. Alright, so we've got 25 volts on the high voltage bus. So now that the capacitors are charged, so I'll now put in 60 amp. Apologies for the filming here. 60 amp fuse. So we're good for some real current. See, the status is wait start. Come on. So check our forward mode. Where is it? Okay, so we've got reverse is on. So we'll flip that to forward. And we can now see forward is on. And now what we're going to do is go put it into run mode. So I'm going to hit start. We should now see we are in run mode, and we are. So now I'm just going to give it a little throttle from this pot here. And actually I'll put this here so we can sort of see the amps. Oops. So we can see the DC amps there. All right. So I'm going to turn the pot very slowly. And we're in business. And I'll back that off. And we will flip it into reverse here. And then we'll try that again. And we're going in reverse. And we're off to the races.